Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So in today's video, by the way, today is Raksha Bandhan. So in today's video, we're gonna get ready for Raksha Bandhan like live, okay? I am gonna get ready on camera and this is what I created. So you are free to watch it. By the way, अगर आप उनमें से हैं जो सोच रहे हैं कि मैं घर पे इतना तैयार क्यों हुई हूँ, पहली बात, रीजन नंबर 1, मुझे बहाने चाहिए तैयार होने के लिए, और दूसरा, इट्स आफ्टर 5-6 years दैट माई ब्रदर इज सेलिब्रेटिंग रक्षाबंधन विद अस, सो why not? So if you wanna know how I got this look, थोड़ा पास से दिखाती हूँ. So if you wanna know how I got this look, you need to go and watch. Okay? Bye. So to begin with, I'm gonna take my primer, which is from Nykaa, which is also matching my clothes, which is a nice factor to start with. And I'm gonna take just a little bit around the areas where I feel that I have pores. Now I'm gonna take my foundation. I know I use it in every video, but I really like it. और अब ये खत्म होने वाला है. So I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to mix like 1 drop of my illuminator into my foundation to give kind of a dewy finish. By the way, my highlighter is this Iconic London highlighter, and I'm gonna take a drop. This is very pigmented, so I am just gonna take 1 drop and I'm gonna mix it. Once our foundation is blended, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. The only reason why I'm rushing so much is I actually have to go, because I don't know how people do get ready with me. They are tough, dude. Like, you have to go to an actual event, not an event घर पे ही है, but तब भी like to a real thing you have to go. उसके लिए you have to get ready on camera, which is kind of a hustle, but okay, कभी कभी चलता है. I'm gonna go in with my powder. I think that the idea of me mixing my highlighter in my foundation was really good, because I instantly can see a really nice sheen on my cheeks. So now we'll move on to the eyes. For which I'm gonna use the same palette from Nykaa, same as if the palette which I use in every video of mine. Not because I don't have enough, because I really like it. Like, it has got all these nudes and neutrals, also some shimmers for, you know, days where you feel like doing so. So yeah, I'm gonna go with the first shade, and I think मैं इसको तभी यूज करना खत्म करूँगी जब ये पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा. खत्म करूँगी, खत्म. Leave it. First shade. बस एक चीज और करनी चाहिए थी इनको. They should have given the shade names, which would have been really, you know, nice. But whatever, Nykaa. Now that our shade is done, I am gonna go in with this brown shade, light brown I would say, it is not coffee color it is. I forget everything while I'm recording. Now that this is done, I'm gonna go in with some shimmers. So I'm gonna take, let me swatch them first because, so I'm gonna go in with this one and I'm gonna use my fingers because it gives the best pigmentation ever. Now इसके ऊपर I'm gonna go in with this shade, this one. थोड़ा सा ही I'm gonna take. And to match the whole vibe, I'm gonna go in with this brown again and apply it in my lower lash line. Godwin Golden has a lot of fallouts यार. आज तारीफ कर दी तो इतना बदतमीजी दे रहा है, वैसे हमेशा सही काम करता है. Now that this eye is done, I'm gonna go in with this eye off camera. जल्दी जल्दी I'm gonna come. Okay, bye. Both the eyes are done. I also did clean up a little bit नीचे. थोड़े fallouts थे. Now I am gonna go in with my blush अभी, and I'm gonna go in with this Lakme Enrich Matte lipstick है ये, and I use it as my blush कभी कभी because it has also got this amazing shine. मैं swatch थोड़ी सी shiny भी आई है तो I like it. और smile when you apply blush, please smile even if you don't feel like life is hard. I instantly go like ऐसे, मतलब blush लगाते टाइम I'm like और फिर लगाने के बाद once my sister was with me and I was applying blush and I was smiling like this, and then जैसे ही मेरा हो गया I was like, she got so scared. Why did I share this? See, I don't even feel to apply highlighter, मतलब I will, but ऐसा नहीं लग रहा, मतलब काफी वो फाउंडेशन के साथ एक ड्रॉप मिलाना, एक बूंद जिंदगी की, बहुत अच्छा आइडिया था. ये क्या है? Very nice idea, good rush. A pat on the back for you, from, sorry, not you. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, and this is my oldie goodie Lakme Insta liner, सस्ता and टिकाऊ. मतलब this is one of those products कि इसके बाद आपको कोई महंगा eyeliner try करने का मन ही नहीं करेगा. It is perfect. While applying eyeliner हमेशा पतला ड्रॉ करने से शुरू करें, क्योंकि एक बार अगर वो मोटा हो गया then it cannot go back to पतला वापस. If that makes any sense, yes it does. But पतले eyeliner को you can build according to your preferences. Ta-da! यार मुझे मन कर रहा है मैं हंसती रहूं, देखना. Cannot keep laughing. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. कहाँ गया मेरा औजार? एक दिन I was curling my lashes and दादी got so scared. She was like, ये क्या कर रही है? And I was like, fashion. It looks dangerous, yeah. To be honest, it looks dangerous to me as well. See? Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. I'm gonna go in with this. Cool. Not cool. अभी बचा हुआ है कुछ. Highlighter. I am gonna go in with my highlighter using this blush. Now, this palette, it has got all these shimmer eyeshadows जो मैं use नहीं करती ज़्यादा shimmer, but I've got this cute little pink shade जिसको मैं अपने highlighter की तरह ज़रूर use कर लेती हूँ, and this shade जिसको मैं अपने brow bone और inner corners highlight करने के लिए use कर लेती हूँ. Don't ignore the fact that my cheeks are glowing. You see? See the jalwa fashion ka? Very nice. Good. Now I am gonna go in with my lip liner, which is Italia Deluxe in the shade Deep Purple. Yeah, so it is this, and very creamy. I am thinking to wear this only as my lipstick because it is working. देखती हूँ चलो. I have another option also. I have this Nykaa So Matte Mini lipstick with me. Let's try this. Yeah, kind of works. Listen. सही लग रही है? लग तो रही है. Now I'm going to wear my So about my hair, मैं इनको ऐसे रखने वाली हूँ because ये काफ़ी straight हो रहे हैं अपने आप आज, which is good. और वैसे भी मुझे थोड़ा आलस आ रहा है, plus मुझे hair styles बनाने नहीं आती. So we are good to go. ये super heavy यार. बस अभी 5 मिनट में वीडियो ख़त्म करके और ये फोटोज खींच के उतार दूँगी इनको तो मैं. I guess we are done. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel down below. Also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, toodles.